Good morning. We are live. Let's see if anybody watches, because I don't know how the Wi-Fi is right now. So, oh, all right, they're on. They're on. I hope it's not people that are in there. It probably is. Good morning, everybody. I'm looking over here. I'm like googly-eyed.
I know.
So, look right here. This is Shelly. Do you guys know Shelly? She comments all the time, and she's here because she didn't want to just comment. She wanted to come all the way here from Texas. I don't know why. I guess you like me.
Crazy.
I think you
Yeah,
like me.
I know I do.
So we're here. We're at the retreat, and I have new stuff to show you guys. I'm starting out here because it's noisy in there, and then I'm going to take you for a walk around. So do you want to show them what you have? Actually, no. Let's keep it a secret. Let's keep it a secret. I wanted to talk about some of your guesses. I told you guys we had some new things, so let's talk about some of your awesome guesses. A baby. No, I am not having a baby. Please never say that again. Somebody asked if I was getting a new puppy. That would be amazing, but no. An embroidery file. Also no. That would be a really cool thing though. I would love that. Someone said, are Eric and I going on the road with our comedy act? No, but we're considering it. Eric let me quit my job. Sorry, Annette, he did not.
No.
I'm trying really, really hard. I'm trying. I feel like I'm closer. I feel like I'm getting a little closer. Did I make a video of the video space? Not yet, but that is coming. Is my new fabric line coming out early? Also no, I'm sorry. And do I have another one? No, I do not. But don't worry, you guys are getting closer. Somebody said new cork. A lot of people said new cork. No. And a new pattern. Do we have a new pattern? We do have a new pattern. Shelly's got our new pattern. So do you guys remember from the magazine we had in the 4-part series, there was the tote bag? It is now a pattern. And for you guys, just for you, on the internet, all of you out there in internet world, it is on sale today through Sunday for $2. Two whole dollars, because it's the second version and I put it on sale for $2. So if you want the cross-country tote, and you want to grab that one too. I love that one with the annals. So here's our bags. What's different about it from the magazine? There is a zipper. There's a recessed zipper. There's also a pocket. There's a zippered pocket inside. There's all the pockets on the outside. That hasn't changed. And there's cork on the handles. That's an option. And there's also an adjustable handle instead of the fixed handle. So those are all updates. Cheryl already bought it. Awesome. Look at you modeling the bag. I love it. Here's mine. So that is brand new. And along with the new pattern comes a new video. So there is a new video tutorial for that bag. But also, Shelly, do you want to guess? Because you don't know. What other video I might have put up, like literally this morning? You want to guess? It's not bag making.
How to travel to
to New York,
New York
and get stuck in Baltimore. No, but the makeup video is up.
Oh,
so,
of course. Should have known that, because I said I don't have my makeup men to be on camera. So.
Be kind. All of you are, but tell the rest of the world, because it was really, really weird to edit that video. So there is a makeup video, and there is also the cross-country video. But more exciting, Jennifer Philbrook guessed that I had new zipper tape, and guess what? She's right. Look at how pretty it is. It's striped. Look at this. Look at that. It is black and white stripe.
Look at it.
With a rainbow. It's very exciting. We do have new zipper tape, and we have a limited amount of zipper pulls. So we have the little leaf, we have the diamond shape and the heart. They are in 3 packs on the website. Isn't that cute? So if you want some new tape, you can get some fun pulls or earrings, you know, necklace. So if you like these, I said I wasn't going to do fancy pulls, but if you like these and you want to do them in other colors, we might do that. Look at this one. This
Get
one.
this right.
Isn't that cool? I'm going to be sewing with that today. And
Oh, I want to sew with it.
well, you can.
Well,
We
that's right.
also
I could.
we have a
I
package.
can do it.
Okay, so I also got a package in the mail from Sue Smith, who said I was allowed to open it. She said there was nothing obscene in here. I was a little disappointed, but that's okay. And oh my God, she sent me fabric.
Ooh.
Sue Smith. Oh, whoa, there's more stuff in here. Look at you. And a card, and I'm the worst person. I didn't open the card first. She sent me canvas. Don't show Marlene. She sent me some zipper tape. I'm gonna open the card.
Oh, you're gonna like some of these.
Oh, she sent me zipper pulls.
It's a skeleton or a skull.
It's a little skull. Look at that. It's a skull. That goes with my skull cork.
And then there's another skull.
It's a
Skeleton
skeleton key. Oh, that's so cute. That's okay. Oh, look at Sue's beautiful cursive. I don't write in cursive. I'm gonna read this later, Sue. Thank you. That's a cool heart.
Ooh, this is pretty. A butterfly.
That's
Look at that.
really pretty. Sue is feeding my addiction. And Connie said she loves the new kits. Yes, we did put up kits. And just to let you guys know, there's a limited number on the cross-country tote kits just because we are waiting for a supply of decor bond to come in. So if you want one of the kits and the option you want, the with or without pattern, happens to be out, just email me and I can change the listing for you.
And look at the zipper pull. It's already on the zipper. Look at
And
that.
this is number 3. That's a thinner zipper.
Isn't that pretty?
We're not getting these, they were just a gift. I'm just letting you know.
Yeah, this is a gift.
This is just a gift.
Not available for
Not available, available for me. So now, are you guys excited? I'm gonna take you in there and we're gonna see what's going on. We're gonna see what everybody's working on. So I'm going to turn this around. If you're leaving any comments, I will read them afterwards. Where is it? All right, let's go take a walk. Hi, Annette.
Hi, Jessica.
Hi, Facebook.
Hi, Facebook.
All right, guys, let's go see what's going on. Annette, you are to the left.
Okay.
That way, towards Barb and Marlene. And, hold on, let me tilt this down. Will you just make sure I'm not tripping over anything? All right. Hi, guys. You're on Facebook. Hi, Margie. Hi, Joe.
Hi.
Is that Lisa Fagan?
No.
Lisa, you weren't on Facebook yesterday. Why is that?
Oh, because I was playing hooky. And my friend Jessica abandoned me. So
That is true. I did abandon you. Hi, Lucy. What are you guys working on? Debbie, what you got going on down here?
I got a baby quilt
Oh,
for my great granddaughter that's due in June.
June 2nd is a great day, just saying.
Oh, maybe well, it's June 10th.
Hey, I mean,
June 27th. Hopefully she's not too late.
hi, Frankie. Hi, Kate. Ooh, what you got, Kate? That's pretty. Frankie, what are you working on? Cute.
Pretty too.
Look at that. All right, we're turning. We're turning. Hello, my ladies from Pennsylvania. Hi. How's everybody?
Great.
Look at all those beautiful HD9s. What are you working on, Jackie? What you got there?
I'm on a Star Wars backpack.
Star Wars Laney backpack. Bonnie, what are you working on?
I'm going to make some diva wallets.
Nice, very nice. And Jan, what you got? Two.
buckets.
Two Rue bucket bags.
Grand off.
Oh,
How nice.
What a nice gift.
This is our Janome table. None of them are here at the moment on this end, but we have two of our Janome ladies. We have Terry and Karen. Hi, guys. They're getting set up, so I won't interrupt them. We lost two already because they had to go get a cord. Woo! Hi, Barb. I might be going too fast for them, too. There's a snack table. That's very important. You are never hungry if you're here. There's our snacks. And Shelly is acting as my rearview mirror. She's making sure I'm good. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Say hi to Facebook. You getting all set up? Are you all ready to go?
I am.
All right. Already ironing over here. Teresa, what are you working on?
I am making a quilt of valor for my younger brother.
Awesome. Quilt of Valor. Linda, what you got going on?
I'm making a
Spectrum.
Ooh, that's cool.
I want to close her up.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Look
I love
at that.
spectrum.
Am I?
That is awesome. That's really cool.
Oh, very nice.
I sorted it out already.
And hey, from the comments, straight from the comments, it's Charlie. That's why he's not commenting.
That's okay. I told her I wasn't doing it.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Hi, Charlie.
She's not
Did you?
ignoring me.
No,
Sorry.
I never look at the camera. I'm gonna look over here.
that's okay. Charlie, do you want to show us anything you got?
I just brought some bears.
Bears. Oh.
They're Elizabeth Hartman bears in Ginny Bayer colors. These are all my leftovers from the Moonglow.
Oh, they're so cute.
Charlie was working on those at our virtual retreat.
And I had a few that I needed to fix, and so I unstitched all the little places I needed to fix and sewed them up exactly the same way. And they're going in a darn quilt that way.
Cheryl said hello, so did Sandy.
Oh, hello.
Annette's still unpacking, and who's this over here? It's me,
Did you take
Marlene.
my job?
Well, you're busy cutting.
Away from me?
What are you doing,
I
Marlene?
am working on my block of the month for Adirondack quilts.
Very nice.
And here's my new friend, Shelley.
I'm just filling in so you can.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you. I didn't do anything wrong yet today. So.
Not yet? That's okay. That's all right. Oh, wait. Barb, are you working at your sewing machine? Barb never sits down at the retreats. She's at she's at the machine. She's not actually sewing yet, but she's at the machine. Look at her. She looks almost ready to work.
Look at her. She could be in an ad for Janome. I hope I'm not laughing too much.
No, we are laughing a lot because that's what we do.
Hang on.
Shelly's making room for me. Thank you. Hi, ladies. What you doing over here?
preparing to do Aria bag.
Nice. What are you working on, Linda?
Trying to thread a bobbin.
Leslie is too busy. She's just going.
Well, I want to get this so I can work on my roll.
I understand. Hi, Judy. Hi, Barb. What are you guys working on?
These are my breakfast rice from this morning.
A wall hanging? Nice. Judy, what are you going to work on? Look at all this organization. Like, look at this right here. In bags, organized. That right there is something I am not very good at. Waiting on a few of our day trippers. Here's some more. Hello, Sue. Hello, Chris.
Hello there.
Wait, there's your face. Okay, there we go.
Should I duck down?
No, you're good. You're good.
That tells me to dance.
Dancing.
Just
Dancing video.
so here is our view from back here. Look. Oh no, I'm not leaving, Dina. You want to show me? You want to show me what you got?
I'm just working on placemats.
Oh, well, those are so sweet. I love it.
Binding and
Nice.
finishing the quilting. Came with a pile for our craft fairs for next year.
So there is a view from back here. There's Miss Annette again. We'll get her later. Don't worry. And I'm gonna come back out in the hallway and we'll say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Shelly's helping me. I'm not very good at driving or steering. I don't drive very well either, so it's okay. Hi, Robin. Hi, you're on Facebook.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
So there is the freebie table, and once again, hold on. Here are we. All right. So let me just see. I'll just look at some of your questions. Jenny said, "I've never been to a retreat. Do you bring your own machines?" Yes, we do. So we all bring our own machines, except for Shelly because she came from Texas. She's using my HD9. Trudy wants to know where we are. We are in upstate New York in Lake George. We're about an hour north of Albany.
It's beautiful.
It's very pretty. And today is beautiful out. Tomorrow is not going to be, but that's okay. So let me just check here. Yes. It is, Charlie, everybody loves you. I just want you to know that.
You get more comments than anyone, Charlie.
All right. Oh, Frankie is working on a beach bag with my zipper tape. Awesome. Nancy, you should be here. All right. So I'm going to go back through and look at all of the comments in a couple minutes. When we're done, I'm sweating, but I am set up and ready to sew. I am sweating. It's hot in here. It's not just me, but also I'm sweating. So go check out the new videos. Go grab a pattern if you want to. It's on sale again through Sunday. $2 pattern. So you can find that on the website. $2 pattern. And everybody here got one in their goodie bag because I give you fun things when you come to retreats. So maybe that will entice some of you to join us. We do not have dates for new retreats yet, but we are working on them. So if you are interested, hopefully we will have some late summer and fall dates coming up soon. Fingers crossed. I got to get with Miss Barb. Other than that, I'm going to go sew, and I'll probably send you guys some pictures or a TikTok or two. You know, it'll be that kind of a weekend. So are we ready to sew? I think so. I think so. And the new zipper tape is on the website too. So if you are interested, it is there. And thank you again, Sue Smith. And okay, I think that is it. I'm gonna call it a day because I'm going to sew. Bye guys.